back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Alrighty, so we're going to get this thing all fired up. It's Tony Breeden and Adam Breeden. Looks like we may have some relatives as they're going to start things off in the front row. As it's Tony Breeden and company as we're going to get this thing ready to go. I might be wrong. That's actually Dylan Thompson and Keith Herring. Sorry for the scoring problems. We got that underway as Dylan Thompson and Keith Herring bring them to the green as street stock in action here at Natural Bridge. Big wreck in turn 1 and 2. There's a parking lot. Oh my goodness, several cars caught up in an error in turns 1 and 2. Tons of cars involved in the back of the field. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five cars wrecked in turns 1 and 2. Those of you on Dirt Rich TV, hopefully get a replay of that. I did not get the chance to see that going into turns 1 and 2, but my, oh my. There's a lot of cars in there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half the field involved in that accident in turns 1 and 2. Alrighty, Street Stocksters. It's so cool to see a wagon out there, Keith Herring. That's a really cool looking car out there with being in the wagon and all. As we're going to get this thing all ready to go. As Dylan Thompson at number 25 is going to bring them to the green. Keith Herring and Howard Hall. Chris Correll is going to be your top 4. We're street stocking here at Natural Bridge Speedway. Oh, we got one coming a little slow on the inside of the speedway. I believe that's that 01. We got one up in the wall in turns 1 and 2. Caution flag is back out on the speedway. I believe the 01 of Adam Breen's going to pull that car into the infield after being caught up in that wreck. He had that sheet metal being pulled off of it. And he's going to get that car checked out. And I'm not for sure. It's going to be Dylan Thompson and Keith Herring. And hopefully those guys are going to go door to door out of 3 and 4. And hopefully we get some green flag laps as we are 2 yellows into this one. No laps into it, but that's okay. As the street stocks are ready to go. It's Dylan Thompson and Keith Herring one more time. They always say third time's a charm out of 3 and 4. We're ready to go. We're street stocking at Natural Bridge. Goes into turns 1 and 2, nice and clean. You got them door to door down to the backstretch. It's Dylan Thompson and Harry. They're still side by side, door to door. In the middle of 3 and 4, like they always say, third time's a charm. Give them lap number 1. As the battle continues on, Keith Herring is looking good on the inside, on the outside. Dylan Thompson still down on the backstretch as they're still battling for that race lead. Still side by side, door to door. Looks like Thompson's going to get the upper hand out of 3 and 4. Thompson just driving away here for your street stock division. Keith Herring for second. It's Chris Coral and the Adam Breeden ride still showing the show. It's the battle for the 4th spot or the 3rd spot. Street stocking here at Natural Bridge Speedway. Oh, Adam's going to make a big mistake off of 3 and 4. He's going to lose a ton of time on the 3rd place runner, Chris Coral. As Dylan Thompson just continues to maintain that lead. 18.829. That car has got to be getting faster as Keith Herring's running with a 19.135. Chris Cordell now is going to start challenging for that 2nd spot. Chris Cordell now looking to the inside. That battle for the second spot has the handling gone away on Keith Haring's race car in at number 50. As we are coming up to the closing stage of this race, as it looks like Haring's getting a little loose off of 3 and 4. Looks like Haring's going to be able to hit the throttle and pull away from Chris Cordell. Now here comes the 01 of Breeden. But meanwhile, you got Howard Hall now going to make it a fight for that third spot. Good battling throughout the field here. The place is going to be for second, third, and fourth, as the number 25 of Dylan Thompson is still your race leader and just absolutely running away with this one with 5 to go. Keith Haring to number 50. It's going to be Chris Cordell and Adam Breeden. Breeden's going to get really racy. There's that lap down car once again into the number 16. Oh, Scott Cyrus. As the cars continue to make their way, Dylan Thompson is out and by himself in that number 25 machine. It's Keith Haring for second. Third, fourth, and fifth is the race to watch. Thompson still out in front. Keith Haring for second. Third's going to go to Chris Cordell. Cordell's got some competition. Adam Breeden and Howard Hall. The battle's going to be for that third spot. Cordell hangs on. Here comes Breeden to the inside once again, as we're going to get 3 to go next time around. So Dylan Thompson at number 25 is going to bring them single file here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. Keith Haring and now Howard Hall going to be there for that third spot after the spin of Chris Cordell. As we are ready to get it fired off, Dylan Thompson, we are street stocking after the third yellow here today. Thompson leads him to the green. We should see the white flag going to be in this time by. Hall's going to work to the inside on the number 50 of Keith Haring. Haring holds off to the bottom. It looks like Hall's going to watch to the outside. Leaves the door for that beautiful number 23. Look out, Haring's in trouble. Haring's in trouble down to the back stretch. What a front stretch. What a save. Haring lost control of it and lost a ton of spots. Ben Hamilton now going to take that third spot. But too little, too late. They're going to go for Dylan Thompson. Second goes to Hall. It'll go to Ben Hamilton for that third spot. What a race. What a race for the street stocks here at the Natural Bridge Speedway. Dylan Thompson is your winner. It'll be Howard Hall, Ben Hamilton, your top 3. Keith Haring and Lee Haring going to be your field. Man, I'll tell you what, that was a great street stock finish. Oh my goodness. Natural Bridge Speedway, what did you guys think of that? Sorry, I got a little lost there. I don't